Hello friends, welcome to Input Output Campus. So today we'll see how to calculate the factorial of a number. So for that we'll first see an example and how it works, and then we'll write the code. So we'll discuss it in a very simple way. Okay. So before starting, make sure you have subscribed to Input Output Campus, and after watching the whole video, please like the video. Okay, so if you want to write a program using recursion, then you have to maintain two conditions. So what are the two conditions? The first one is you have to write the base condition, and the second one is you have to write the recursive function cleverly, okay, so that the whole program can run perfectly. So to calculate the factorial of 4, we'll take a function. Suppose the name of the function is fact. So this will calculate the factorial of 4. So what we'll do, we'll call this function every time until this value 4 is not decreased to 0, and every time we call this function, so we'll decrease this value by 1 every time and multiply the whole function by this number. Okay, so let's see how it works, then we'll write the code. So this is fact of 4. So here you can see 4 is not 0. So if this is not 0, then we will decrease it by -1, that is it will decrease to 3, and we will multiply the whole function by this number, that is 4. So 4 into fact of 3. Similarly, here you can see the 3 is not 0, so we will call this function again, and here will be 3 into fact of 2, because this 3 will come to here and this 3 will decrease by 1, so this is fact of 2. Okay, so this 2 is not 0, again we will call this function, and here will be 2 into fact of 1. So similarly 1 is not 0, we will call this function again, and here will be 1 into fact of 0. So here the base condition satisfied. So 0 is 0, that is the base condition is satisfied. So when it is 0, we'll return a value, that is 1. Okay, so there is no further any function to call, so we'll go back. So this one will come to here, and the value of this will be 1 into 1, that is 1, and this one will be returned to this fact function, that is fact of 1 function, and the value of this whole thing will be 2 into 1, that is 2, and these 2 will return to this fact of 2. So here the value will be 3 into 2, that is 6, and this value 6 will be returned to this fact of 3. So here the calculated value will be 4 into 6. So here 4, and the value of fact of 3 is 6. So that is 4 into 6, that is 24, and 24 will return to this fact of 4. And finally this will be 24, and this will be our final output. Okay, so hope you understand this. So now we'll write the code. Okay, here we'll write the code using C++. So for that, write the basic format here. So as include iostream using namespace standard int main. So you just have to write the main function first, and inside this main function we want to calculate the factorial of a number, and the value of this number is suppose 5. We want to calculate the factorial of 5. Okay, so we want a function, and we will pass this value 5. Okay, so before this main function, write this function fact, and inside this integer of n. Okay, so inside this fact function we'll write if n is not equals to 0. If n is not equals to 0, then we'll return. So what will return? We'll return the fact function again, but by multiplying it by n, and we'll decrease the value of n. So fact, and here will be n minus 1. Okay, so if the value of n is 0, then we'll return 1. Okay, so our code is complete, and we'll output the value what will be returned from this fact function. So we'll output the value here. So right here cout. Okay, so let's run it. So factorial of 5 is 120. So this is perfect. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubt or questions regarding this video, then please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please like the video and share it with your friends. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.